What's up? What's up? It's your boy Saucy Rossi, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue, and today I'm smoking a tri-tip low and slow, exactly like a brisket. We're going to get some delicious results, guys, and let me just explain this right quick. Smoking it this way is super delicious, and you get unreal results. I mean, you only have to spend about 7 or 8 hours for almost identical results to a brisket. So let's go through everything here. You know what to do. Hit those buttons, like and subscribe. Now, I picked this tri-tip up from Costco. It was $75 and I got two of them. So that's about, 30 something dollars there for the price point. This is not a bad price point at all, considering briskets normally start around $120. Now I'm using habanero mustard as a binder here by Maritime Madness, and I'm going to use their Unreal Pepper dry rub along with their garden herb dry rub to make the perfect just coating of seasoning on this tri-tip. Liberally season it as well. Tri-tips can take a lot of seasoning and a lot of salt content as well. So if your dry rub goes up towards, 10 or 11% sodium, that's perfectly fine here. Make sure to get everything fully covered, all sides, and we're going to fire up the custom built R&R smoker. Now today I'm burning sugar maple on my smoker, and I'm running it close to 225 and 250 degrees, somewhere in between there. And we really want to run it low and slow. Now this is probably going to take about 7 to 8 hours on the smoker, and it's just going to run. We're going to let that bark build over time, and past the 2 hour and 30-minute mark, we're going to start hitting it with light spritzes of apple cider vinegar. But you could also use beer. Apple or orange juice also works. Those are more recommended for pork, but you could totally use it here. And if you want, you can dilute it down as well with just some simple water. But what really matters here is just making sure the exterior stays nice and moist while we're rendering everything down. Now, like I said, this is going to take about 6, 7, or maybe even 8 hours low and slow. And during that time, it's just really important to be patient, checking it regularly just to make sure if it needs a quick spritz in any dry spots that you give it that quick shot. But guys, it's just really important to be patient. You can see here that bark hasn't completely set, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the point when the bark is fully covering this slab of meat. And again, low and slow around 225 to 250 degrees for about 7 or 8 hours will get you those results. As you can see here, the bark is set beautifully. So I'm going to wrap it in tinfoil, and I've also put some beef tallow into that tinfoil as well. Now I'm putting it in my tinfoil tray. I'm going to throw it into either the oven or back out on the smoker at 250 degrees until it reaches an internal temperature of about 203. You can just check by making sure it's probe tender, okay? Now let's slice into this. With a tri-tip, there are 2 grains that run through it. So that's why I'm slicing it in the middle, then into these smaller chunks. We want all these bites to be against the grain. And as you can see here, guys, I nailed it. This was perfect. I mean, for 7 or 8 hours total, to get brisket-like results. Look, I'm not crazy. I understand a brisket is better, but for like $35 and less than half the time, oh man, that is what I'm talking about. You're getting those juicy, delicious results. That smoke ring is prominent and pronounced. That flavor is through every bite. These are just going to melt in your mouth. I mean, guys, you got to trust me on this one. You're going to be super stoked. Low and slow smoked tri-tip is a must try for anyone that is deep in the world of barbecue. If you love it, you're going to be super into this recipe. Not only is it simple, it is super delicious. Guys, I always appreciate you watching my videos. Thank you so much if you're still here. It means so much to me. Oh man, like and subscribe if you already haven't done it. Go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. You know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossi, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. Make sure you try some smoked tri-tip. You're going to friggin' love it, bud.